I have a theory that's going to sound weird at first. What if leadership isn't about charisma or being born special? What if it's just like any other animal survival skill? The better you sense your environment, the better you survive and thrive. I think leaders are just humans with better environmental sensing, and I'm about to show you how to build digital tentacles that give you that same advantage. Think about it from a biological perspective. An octopus has 8 tentacles constantly sensing pressure, temperature, chemicals in the water. A spider feels every vibration in its web. The animals that survive best aren't the strongest. They're the ones with the best environmental awareness. Humans evolved the same way. But instead of physical tentacles, we developed research, pattern recognition, information gathering. The people who become leaders, they're just the ones who developed better sensing mechanisms for their environment. They know what's happening in their market, with their competition, with their customers. They have more data inputs. So here's my hypothesis. What if we could give anyone digital tentacles? What if we could create an AI research agent that constantly senses your business environment the way an octopus senses the ocean? That's exactly what I'm building today. Not just a search tool, but a sensing system. Something that reaches into markets, trends, competitor moves, customer sentiment, regulatory changes, digital tentacles that feed you environmental data in real time so you can make decisions like those natural leaders do. And I'm going to build this live step by step using Claude trained on my automation frameworks. You'll see exactly how to create your own environmental sensing system. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. I'm using Claude trained on my N8 and automation builds to create this research agent from scratch.
All right, so here we have our research agent. It's running on a scheduled trigger. So every day it's gonna run and pull in the industry for the user and grab different hacker news, or from a news API, it's gonna pull in those resources, combine them and send them into an AI agent to check relevance and kind of summarize. And then we're gonna filter on relevance for our industry. So this is kind of the filter that we're talking about. And then we're going to do more research with perplexity, and then generate a research brief based on that aggregated research and send that report right into Slack. And so that is a simple version 1 of a research agent, and these agents can get more and more complex. But if we look into Slack, we can see this is kind of some of the outputs. It's giving us interesting articles. It's giving it like different articles from like Deloitte on our industries, which is pretty relevant. It's referencing, Gen Z and data privacy, AI in these different fields. And so I go through here on a day-to-day basis and read through the articles, read through some of the research, and see how it kind of either prompts more ideas for new product development or new marketing, and just keeps me better in the loop.
See what's happening here? We're not just gathering information, we're creating environmental awareness. Just like that octopus knows exactly what's happening in its territory, you'll know exactly what's happening in your market. When a competitor changes their pricing, your tentacles sense it. When customer sentiment shifts about your industry, you feel it immediately. When new opportunities emerge, you're the first to know. This isn't about being smarter than everyone else. It's about having better environmental sensing. It's about developing digital tentacles that keep you aware of your business ecosystem in real time. So here's what I want to test with you. Can we prove that better environmental sensing actually creates better leaders? Can digital tentacles give you the same advantage that natural leaders seem to have? I'm going to share the complete build process, all the NAN workflows, the Claude training prompts, everything. Because I want to test this theory with real people in real situations. Drop a comment if you want to build your own digital tentacles and help me prove whether environmental sensing is really the secret to leadership. Let's find out together if we can democratize this advantage.